Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the home mentoring session of marketing. Myself, C.S.K. Khanna from the SD Vidya School, Ambala, Kent. Dear students, in our yesterday's video, we had learned the different features of marketing mix, and also we had learned how marketing managers develop marketing mix. While developing a marketing mix, he has to comply with various steps, and all these steps we had learned and discussed in detail. Today we will understand what is the significance of marketing mix or importance of marketing mix. Before we understand the significance of marketing mix, once again we recapitulate our understanding. Marketing mix refers to various components with reference to the 4 P's, that is relating to the product, relating to the price, relating to the physical distribution, and relating to the promotion of goods and services. All these 4 components basically comprise to the marketing mix, and customer is the central point towards whom all the activities of marketing they should be focused. We all know that customer is the core. Customer is the central point. Towards him, all the activities done by the organization towards the marketing, they should be categorized, they should be centralized. So now we will understand the significance of marketing mix. The understanding of significance of marketing mix can be undertaken from 2 different angles. One is relating to the marketing approach, other is relating to the value creation. Dear students, basic component of both the variables or both the approaches is same. Whether we understand the significance from the marketing approach or whether we understand from the value creation approach, the idea is same. The idea here say that under the marketing mix, manager has to concentrate to 4 important elements. They are known as the 4 P's, and simultaneously he has also to understand that how effectively he can approach through those activities to the ultimate buyer, to the ultimate customer. Now, while developing to the concept of ultimate buyer and to ultimate customer, he has to understand that what important services with or through these 4 P's he can provide to the ultimate buyer, to the ultimate customer. Let's understand the significance or importance of marketing mix from marketing approach. What marketing approach states regarding the marketing mix? It contributes towards the formation of an effective marketing strategy and its practical implementation. 2 important things under marketing mix according to marketing approach say that marketing mix is very significant with reference to the 2 variables, 2 subparts. First, formation or development of an effective marketing strategy, and second, its implementation. Marketing manager has to function on 2 important steps. They are in relation to each other. First, he must form an effective marketing strategy. Strategy means a unified, comprehensive, integrated plan relating to the marketing activities. Not only the strategy is formed, but it is equally important that that strategy must be implemented in the same spirit for which it has been developed. So, he should undertake the 2 steps according to this approach. First, he should develop the marketing strategy, and then he should practically implement that strategy. Afterwards, what he should do? Integrate the essentials of effective marketing and allows to analyze assess the feasibility and role of the product or service that the organization offers. Now, in order to this implementation, what he has to do? he has to essentially integrate all the sub-parts, sub-elements, regularly analyze them, assess them that whether they are feasible or not, and in relation to what? In relation to the product and services which the organization is going to offer. It is not limited to his role that he should implement that, but he regularly updates, he regularly evaluates, regularly analyzes, and also assess whether it is actually feasible or not, whether it is working on ground or not, so that he should provide those goods and services in an effective way to the target buyers. Identifies appropriate distribution channel for the proper placement of the product, sets a suitable price for the value that is offered to the customer, and identifies and implies suitable promotional media. In these previous two lines, you had noticed that it comprises all the four elements of the marketing mix. What they? Relating to the product, relating to the price, relating to the physical distribution of the goods, and towards the promotion of the goods and services. It provides the organization with an all-inclusive, holistic, all-inclusive means all the elements they are included. Holistic means complete marketing approach and gives direction. So, in nutshell, when we have to define the significance of marketing mix, marketing approach states that good marketing manager first of all form the effective marketing strategy and then effectively practically implement. Now while implementing, he has also to evaluate on the basis of various elements, analyze them, assess, regularly update them, and again function on the four basic elements of marketing mix so that it should become an all-inclusive and holistic complete marketing approach with an aim to have the customer satisfaction and increase in the profits. The significance of marketing mix we could also understand from the second aspect, that is known as the value creation. Now with reference to the value creation, I hope in economics you had studied, in business studies you may have also gone through value creation. Value creation means the value is added, significance is added. The significance of marketing mix can also be understood from the value creation, which means that marketing mix also adds the value, make an addition to the value, make an addition to the product and services which are offered by an organization. How it is done? Marketing mix guides in identifying and assessing the diverse aspects of product or services in relation to their importance and utility to customers and their preferences. Under value creation approach, we can come across through marketing mix what are the various diverse aspects of product or services which are offered by an organization and evaluate their significance, their utility to the customer, their liking, their preferences. Furthermore, it also provides direction for the selection of a suitable distribution channel. Again, distribution channel, physical distribution, another P of marketing mix, where the target consumer is more likely to look around for offered services or products. The platform may range from being a retail store to an online shop. Here, we are discussing about the physical channel. We are discussing about the distribution channel of the marketing, that how the goods or services they should be provided through the physical network channel so that the customer may have the ease to buy them. It may be through a retail store or it may be through online shopping. Marketing mix also includes directives for the allocation of a suitable price, which confirms the priorities and limitations of the target consumers. Now here in this line, we are discussing about the price element of marketing mix. Here Under marketing mix, we have to also understand the significance of the pricing, and suitable price should be fixed for our offerings or goods or services, which helps to promote and advertise the products and services effectively so as to effectively deliver value to consumers. In this last line, we are discussing about the promotion mix of the goods and services. Here only those channels, only those media should be selected which had the effective accessibility and approach towards the customer, and also it delivers the maximum satisfaction value to the consumers. So from these two important approaches, we had understood the significance of marketing mix through marketing mix approach, which practically say marketing approach, and second, value addition or value added approach or the value creation. We will also discuss now a very simple and very interesting exercise relating to marketing mix through knowledge assessment 1. The exercise, the assignment say, state whether the statements are true or false. The process of marketing mix involves the marketing managers take various marketing decisions to make the operations profitable. Is it true or false? It is true. The process of marketing mix involves the marketing managers take various marketing decisions to make the operations profitable. This statement is true. People are one of the components of 4 P's of marketing mix. It is true. It is true as per the latest research and version. But traditionally, the 4 P's of marketing mix involves very practically product, price, physical distribution, and the promotion of the people is the latest research which include to the marketing mix. So this statement is false. Then marketing mix helps the organization in achieving their goal. It is a very simple, easy statement. It is true. Then marketing mix has to review constantly in order to meet the changing requirements. Again, this statement is true, because unless and until the regular updation evaluation is not done, because environment is volatile, it is changing dynamically, so we have also to review it constantly. So this statement is true. Then marketing mix is applicable to only non-business organization. This statement is false, because marketing mix is equally applicable to the business as well as to the non-business organization. Next statement say 4 P's of marketing mix are independent of each other. This is again the false statement, incorrect, because all the elements, all the P's of marketing mix, they are dependent on each other. Next statement say the customer is the focal point of all marketing activity. It is true that customer is the central point of all the marketing activities. Then next statement say multiple channels may help target a wider customer base and ensure easy access. Now practically understand that this statement is true, but we have also to assess the cost involved in this as well as the return or the profit which is available. Next statement say marketing plan is finalized after ensuring that all 4 elements of marketing mix are in harmony. In harmony here means that they function in association, in coordination with all other P's. So this statement is true. Next statement say marketing mix is static. It is a false statement. Marketing mix is dynamic. Marketing mix is changing depending upon the changes in the environmental factor. So this statement is false. So this way we had understood the significance or importance of marketing mix, and also understand a good, very simple assignment relating to marketing mix. We will continue the same unit in our next class, in our next assignment also. Thank you very much for watching these videos. In case you had any type of the doubt, any type of the query relating to this, you may please ask me at any time. I also request you that you please regularly go through to these videos and understand the concept, as it is very, very important to understand all these things. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.